Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hello po, Ma'am Maricar Cabiles Go and Sir Johnny Go. I would like to present this short presentation is all about the how to market the brand Omoda Jayco cars. Okay, so we know already this is futuristic. Okay, futuristic po siya. And also um, adventurous. Your car is adventurous and innovative, so we need that in our branding and marketing, and more refined on in our business deals with regards to Omoda Jayco, and it's more on dynamic. Okay, so these are the 10 branding and marketing hacks for Omoda Jayco and how to skyrocket or have that revenue surge of that electric cars. So this is just not about simple branding, simple marketing, but 10 times better branding and marketing for your deals. And not only for that, but also we can use also these methods, techniques, and protocols in your other businesses like the Tire Smart. So we can apply not only with Omada Jacob but also with the Tire Smart branches, okay, from Davao and uh, Tagum City. Okay, and the rest, if you market all over the Philippines or nationwide, we can also use this type of branding and marketing. So these are the 10 branding and marketing hacks in order to surge revenue. So when we talk about revenue, whatever regular sales and revenue that you have, we will maximize and propel to the highest level. Okay, so number one po is we need to capture the modern driver. So for the Omoda Jayco cars, we just not only sell, but to unleash the potential, capturing the modern driver. How we can do that? Through digital domination and hyper-targeted ads. So we will use a different kind of retargeting and we convert conversion methods of selling. So we will use also after we have a production videos, marketing, branding, we will make sure that we 10 times the ads when we do this one. So we need to unleash the potential, capturing the modern driver. If we do that, we have a higher chance, have a higher tendency that we can get the right targeted clients. Okay, so unleash potential, capturing the modern driver. Number two is we need to have immersive brand experience. How we can do that? Through showroom. We know already that you have your branches. We can uh, uh, place that as your location for your showroom so that we can revolutionize this immersive brand experience. Since you have your uh, new dealings with Omoda Jacob, we can use that in your showroom to provide immersive brand experience. If we can do that, we can propel and increase your sales. So we need to have immersive brand experience. Number three is content marketing and storytelling that sells. So daily, I can provide you content marketing, but the most important is we can do that through emotional. So later on, I will tell you how to have emotional marketing and storytelling that sells. So daily, I can provide you videos and production marketing regarding that one. So it's just like content that converts, marketing that converts, branding with story, with emotions that sells. So we will do that once um, you approve how we can propel your business. Number four is amplifying reach. How we can do that? Through collaboration. Regardless of whatever brands, whatever products, whatever services you need, we need to collaborate with other brands so that about the Jayco cars, since you are the first one to have these cars in place in your branches, we will collaborate with other brands so that we can leverage and scale your uh, products, businesses, and all, most especially your Omoda Jayco cars. Okay, we need to collaborate. Sorry. Number five is spark excitement. How we can do that? Through our content creation, through video marketing, branding experience. So we need to spark excitement and provide exclusive experiences for new or having that client already. So spark excitement, exclusive experiences, one of the uh, key note when we have the branding and marketing, in content creation, in our production, in our storytelling. So we need to have that spark excitement. Number six is loyalty programs. We provide loyalty programs and reward those so that we can retain your loyal customers. Okay, reward and retain loyalists. So if we provide rewards, if we provide loyalty programs, for example, freebies, we can connect more, retain more our previous customers, most especially in your Tire Smart, and we can retain that customers, your loyalists, to new customers to your Omoda Jayco brand car deals. Okay, so we provide loyalty programs. Number seven is emotional. Well, this is what I'm talking about. Emotional marketing, one of the most important. But how we do that? So, ako na pong bahala niyan. Ako na pong bahala sa production, videos, virtual effects, and content creation, and daily posting po sa inyong page and other pages in TireSmart or whether Omoda J Tagum. So, emotional marketing. So, we need to personalize the engagement. Once we have personalization, once we connect to the right target market, we can uh, connect more with the brand. Pero hindi po siya tunog benta, hindi automatically, I will sell this one para pagkapirahan, no, it's a different kind. Parang hindi po siya tunog benta, but a different kind. We will touch the hearts of our customers. We will make sure that there are emotions because tao po ang binibentahan natin. So, we provide the emotions on having the experience. Okay? So, number eight is leveraging user social proof. Once we have the client, let's say for example, if we you already have the clients whether in Tire Smart or the Omoda Jayco, we need to have a social proof because that would be our basis to leverage our um, um, branding and marketing sa sales. So leveraging user social proof. So one of the most important because we need to have also testimonials and proof for our previous or current clients. Number nine is driving ROI. So return of investment. So we need to optimize marketing strategies. Ako na pong bahala niyan. So through content creation to daily posting and um, branding and marketing of that electric cars. So once we do that, we drive and we have the return of investment through optimizing marketing strategies. Number 10, brand messaging via visuals. Importante po bang visuals? Yes, because for example, the social media marketing or digital marketing, that would be the face, the new TV. So we will make it, that's why I said what I go, it's a production. Uh, it's a production type of marketing, to branding and marketing, and also, we will capture the hearts, minds, and souls of your new and current loyal customers. So, brand messaging via visual. So, visually appealing. So, my attention grabbing, and we will get and hook your customers. So, that's if we do that, those 10, you can surge your revenue by uh, putting and applying these 10 branding and marketing hacks for Omoda Jayco so that we can surge your revenue to the highest level. Okay, so I will provide everything, including the postings and the production videos. But all you need to do is to, um, since this is a business, I'm also thinking that this is also my business. I will do the production, and all you have to do is to make it sure that you also get the resources and also the capitalization, or most especially in branding and marketing. So you need to get the funding. Yeah, what I'm talking about is the funding of the branding and marketing. So in order to leverage and to surge the revenue. So we will start immediately so that we can start because we need to have 1 month before. Let's say for example, you still get the Omoda Jayco cars, so we need at least more or less before 1 month po ang preparation natin for the branding and marketing. So if we do that, our client, we already targeted our clients, and we already are your loyal customers, so that once we have that the electric cars in Tagum or in Davao, we start already selling. So 1 month po before ang dapat branding and marketing. So that's it. I think now what I'm telling is that's the only way to get the clients. So 10 hacks, we will apply that, and just prepare for the resources po para sa ating branding and marketing. So let's start. Thank you very much, and God bless. God bless.